The Legend of Pollo al Ajillo. Pollo al Ajillo, a favorite Spanish dish, originated in the humble kitchens of Spain. In the picturesque countryside, a resourceful home cook sought to prepare a flavorful dish for her loved ones. Taking garlic, olive oil and chicken, she set out on a culinary journey. The aroma of sizzling garlic and browning chicken filled the air. A little white wine was added to the sauce. The family gathered eagerly. The tender chicken covered in garlic sauce thrilled them. Word of the dish spread, making it a staple in tapas bars and Spanish restaurants around the world. Pollo al Ajillo remains a timeless classic, symbolizing the enduring charm of simple ingredients and traditional cuisine. Let its taste transport you to the rustic cuisines of Spain, where food brings people together in celebration. Ingredients: 10 to 15 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 sprigs of thyme, olive oil, salt, black pepper, 1 chicken, parsley for decoration, 1 glass of white dry wine, sherry, young potatoes for garnish. Instructions: finely chop the parsley. Cut the chicken into pieces. Cut the breast into fillets along the breastbone. Salt and pepper both sides. Put a pan on the fire. Pour olive oil. Salt potatoes. In hot oil fry garlic cloves. As they brown, take them out. In this fragrant oil we fry the chicken until golden on both sides. In the chicken we place the garlic fried earlier. Sprigs of thyme are placed on top of the chicken. Pour the wine. Cover with foil or a lid. Stoke on coals or very low heat, if you cook on the stove. Serve, pouring the sauce with young potatoes and cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle with parsley. You can add a slice of lemon for a spicy flavor. Also combines with a crust of bread, with which you can dip the sauce. Don't forget the very tasty gourmet garlic.